Hi, my name is Jennifer. I'm a visitor experience staff member at the USS Constitution Museum in Boston, Massachusetts. And today I'm going to show you how to turn a piece of paper into a floating boat. Now, I was inspired to do this activity thinking about all the different ways that Constitution has transformed or changed throughout her history. I think most of us think of her as a fighting ship during the War of 1812, but may be surprised to learn that at one point she looked like she did in this model behind me. That was when she was a receiving ship later on in her naval career, and it's really quite a transformation. Now let's get started changing our piece of paper into a floating boat. Now you want to start with a square sheet of paper. I'm using a sheet of paper from a coloring book that I happen to like the design, but you can use whatever paper you have available to you. I would also recommend coloring in your sheet of paper before making it into a boat. It just makes it that much easier. Now our first official step is to fold our paper down in half and crease in the center. And then open the page back up. All right, our step 2, now that we have our center line, is to fold up each side to meet that middle mark. So I'm folding up, and then I'll do a crease in my paper. And I'll go on to the other side and do the same exact thing, folding up to meet that middle line and creasing. Now I'm going to take the corner of my paper and I'm going to fold it up to the center line to create a triangle. And I'm going to crease the paper to make sure it lies flat. And I'm going to do this on all 4 sides of my sheet of paper. All right. Now we're going to do this process one more time with taking a corner piece of the paper and folding up to the middle line to create a triangle. And you want to crease the paper, and you want to do this again along all 4 sides until your design looks something like this. All right, now I'm going to take the bottom and the top corners, and I'm going to fold it up to that middle line and do another crease. It's getting a little bit harder now to do the creases. And then I'm going to do it again on the other side of my sheet of paper. Crease. And there we go. All right, so we're at our final step. And we want to open up our boat using that center line. And then very carefully, I'm going to turn the boat inside out. I like to start at one corner. And then I push it in and then move my way along the sides to fold it inside out. All right, now we're going to do the same thing on the other side, folding it inside out. And there we go, we have a boat that floats. Find written directions as well as other fun activities to do at home at usscm.org.